Sethoxydim.
Sethoxydim.
Yeah,
That's under the trade name of Post. It's also, there's several trade names that homeowners use, Top 2.
Yeah.
But it is a selective post-emergent herbicide that primarily kills grasses. It's just the opposite of the phenoxy herbicides. They kill the broadleaves and kill grasses. The Sethoxydim you will leave the broadleaf and kill grasses. And so you can actually spray it over the top of like strawberries, soybeans, and things like that, and it won't hurt the broadleaves. It'll kill the grasses. But it's also a systemic, and it takes it a while. The systemics usually take a while to work. You know, glyphosate and most of these systemics may take a week or two, but most of the herbicides that homeowners use are going to be systemic in nature.
Yeah. All right, that's some good stuff. It's a good lesson. Right.
Interesting
stuff. All right, and again, always read and follow the label.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. To find out more information on this topic, just click on the familyplotgarden.com link in the description.